welcome to BB Hair. My name is Beth and I am so happy that you're here. Today I am excited to be reviewing for you NATALIA. NATALIA is in the exclusive color 416S6. That is Sunlit Sable. Now this is my old NATALIA that I reviewed a year ago, and I bought a new one because I loved it so much. I wanted to see if the style was the same after a year and if there were any differences and if I still loved it just as much. So she is brand new in the box. I have done nothing to her other than try her on in my hair mail video, which you may have seen. So let's just look at her. Tags are still attached. I have not done anything to her. So here she is. We'll turn around so that you can see the back and we'll see if the curl pattern looks the same. All right, so we have old NATALIA and new NATALIA. What are we thinking? I'm not seeing, so I'm not sure if the curl pattern is the same. Really a beautiful style though, isn't it? I just love it. I do want to touch base on this color a little bit, and I'll also show it to you outside. So we have 416S6. So let's break down the color code. 4 is going to be your dark brown. I am assuming that's our dark brown root. Number 16 is honey blonde. So that is all of these blonde highlights that go right to the tips. And our S6 would be shading of dark chocolate brown. So that's going to be throughout. You will see shading of the dark chocolate brown. It is just really a beautiful color blend. And NATALIA is a basic cap wig. We have the soft felt front. This is the enclosed lace with permatease, your open wefting, open ear tabs. There is a little bendy stay in there, extended nape. There's a good amount of stretch in here as well. I'm gonna cut the tags and put the new one on. All right, now in my unboxing video, my hair mail video, somebody left me a comment and they said, you obviously fixed the wig before you put it on. That is not out of the box. So I'm putting it on for you now to show you I did nothing. This is right out of the box. I just want to assure you that I am not here to deceive you. I think most of you who have been with me from the beginning know that my mission is to help all of my wig sisters. I want you to feel comfortable and confident in the hair that you choose to wear. That's why I started this channel, to show you wigs right from the box to my head and what I do to make them look presentable. I had struggled when I first started because at the time I would watch wig reviews and the reviewers did not show you what the wigs looked like out of the box. They just showed you how beautiful they already were. And so my mission was, let's show how we got from point A to point B. So I want you to know that you can always trust me on my channel, that I'm being honest with you and I am showing you the wig for the first time as you see it, as I see it. So I want you to know that. All right, so before I do anything, let's just go ahead and put her stock photo over here. I'll include the measurements. We'll do a little comparison and we'll spin. I'm gonna grab my mirror so I can see too. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh, look at this, you guys. So, so pretty. It is really soft and lightweight. Great movement. Really, really pretty. As you can see, the style comes just like this right out of the box. I think it's beautiful. Let's just look at her bangs. So they're coming a little below my nose. So you could trim across a straight bang if that's what you want. I prefer to just leave it as is because I like to side sweep. Now I do feel permatease in the sides here to give us some volume. There's not much at all on top, and I would have thought that there would have been more. There is some, but it's not an over the top amount. As far as coverage goes, I have my bio sides just colored in with matte brown eyeshadow. So on me, and there is a good amount of stretch in here. My measurements are down below if you expand that description box, but I am on the large side of average at 22 3/4 inch around. So honestly, you guys, Natalia is beautiful. There's nothing that you have to do. Now, I want to let you know it is available in 22 colors. That includes this Exclusive Color Sunlit Sable and all 21 of Paula's preferred hues. So that color chart is in the center of your catalog. And if you look through my videos, you can see that I have reviewed just about every color out there. So, and this is a beautiful style. So I think it would be beautiful really in any color that you choose. I do like the rooted color and I think it's pretty. I love the mixture with the honey blonde. It's really, really beautiful. Now don't forget, if you're shopping at Paula Young, you can use my discount code. That's BBH20. That's going to save you 20% off of each wig, $49.99 and over, excluding clearance. It's not a one and done, so you can use that anytime you shop. I have seen similar styles that cost at least 2 to 3 times more than Natalia. I think it is a great value if you love like an Aesthetica Reeves. This is very similar. Aesthetica Orchid, obviously Orchid has your lace front, but this is a beautiful alternative if you're looking for a more affordable style, and the fibers are gorgeous. I won't even dry shampoo this. I don't think it's too shiny. I think it's just beautiful. Before I step outside, I do want to show you a few styling options with Natalia. I always like to start with a headband. I think it's such an easy style accessory and looks so cute with wigs. And if there's permatease on top, it really helps to hide that. We can do a fun little twist on the side and add a pretty flower clip. Pull a little bit out at the front to disguise the wig line, and that is just pretty. I think Natalia will be great for a ponytail. Again, pull a few face framing layers out at the front and gather your hair at the back. Pull down on the wig line just a little bit to disguise that. And I think the curls just make this so cute. Very bouncy and fun. And now we can turn this into a messy bun. Just don't pull the hair all the way through on this time. Pull some of the remainder around and fluff it up, mess it up. How cute is that for a workday look? Claw clips are also my favorite accessory with wigs. We can do a full updo just by gathering the hair and twisting it at the back. Twist it up, pull down on the wig line. Now add your claw clip to secure and fluff up the remaining hair that's outside of that clip. So easy and so pretty. We can also do a half updo, again using a claw clip. Gather half the hair, pull some out at the front. I twist it, And then I add my claw clip. And the hair just cascades down, and I think that is such a pretty look. That's also a cute workday look, or even a going out look. Sunglasses go in so easy. Now if you're going into the grocery store, put them up on your head. It looks so cute. That also holds your hair in place from the wind. So to me, Natalia is very sort of Farrah Fawcett-esque. It's just really beautiful with the layers and the waves. I think I've already said that, but I can't help it. It's so pretty. And if you wanted to do an ear tuck, it's an easy ear tuck. It's very lightweight. You can leave a little bit forward to have a little curl. You know, if you wanted to sort of sleek it down and not have it so bouffant, you can do that. Let's just try that. Do a little bit behind our ear. Kind of comb it down. Loving it. So I am definitely loving Natalia just as much as my old one. This one, you know, it feels dry. It feels a little bit rough. I love the feel of new wig fibers. They're so soft and so gorgeous. So on our way out, I will show you this beautiful color Sunlit Sable out in the natural sunlight. But I just want to thank you all for joining me today, and I hope that you enjoyed this look at Natalia. I love it just as much as I did before. I think it's an amazing value, and if you get it, I think you're gonna love it too. Have a great day, everyone. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.